Assalamu alaikum. This is Ibrahim Hassan Naim in front of camera. Today I want to share my English journey. In the past, I couldn't speak English. If someone asked me a question, I couldn't understand it and I couldn't answer. I felt very shy and afraid to talk to others. But now things have changed. I can speak English. I can understand question and I can talk confidently with other people. Learning English has changed my life. It has given me a lot of confidence, new opportunities also, and the courage to express myself. I am proud of myself. I am proud of my journey. And I will continue improving every day. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.